Welcome to this tutorial on how to use motion presets in CapCut to enhance your videos. Let's use this video as an example. Preview the video before making any edits. Now navigate to the toolbar and select the Speed option. Under the Speed tab, click on the Curve option. You'll see several preset speed curves like Montage, Hero, and Flash. Tap on a preset to preview how it affects your video. These presets automatically adjust the speed of your clip, creating smooth transitions between fast and slow motion. If you want to customize the speed curve further, tap on Custom. This allows you to drag the points on the curve to create your unique speed transitions. Dragging points up increases speed, while dragging them down slows it down. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.